Well, tonight's just an example of bringing people together from different areas and different disciplines. I'm a translational researcher and I get to experience the breadth of activities happening across MPCCC.
It's us getting together for the one thing, to improve patient care. It's all about the patient and how do we make the patients get better and really survive cancer.
The way that innovations in healthcare develop tends to be in very centralised ways, but where MPCCC is so critical is ensuring that those discoveries, those advances, those innovations are rolled out to the patients that are affected.
It doesn't mean that you just see one person isolated. As a physician, you actually have a network of physicians that share information and can share data and can come together on our molecular tumour boards and actually discuss what is the best way forward for this individual.
And without that partnership, we're just little silos. We're far better as a stronger force together as one and not as little individual hospitals or little individual research institutions for the one common goal.
We all know that cancer is a disease that knows no socioeconomic boundaries. We know in certain areas, especially in rural and remote, they don't have the same access to care that they would in the metro area.
There's a disparity across the state, even within metropolitan areas, of the access that people have to medical care. I think some of the time patients don't even realise they're missing out on some of these opportunities, but MPCCC are now creating those opportunities for people equally across our catchment.
Cancer, the very word, causes a shiver in every layman, me included. I wonder how many folk inflicted with cancer have access to the treatment I was lucky enough to receive. What about those folk who live a day's march from the city? Now, I think it's incumbent upon the distributors of our taxes to see that the resources for cancer care is equitable across the board. I was very lucky. Is my neighbour going to be so lucky?
What the MPCCC has done is enabled me to advocate better, receiving funding to improve access to clinical trials, access to precision oncology, things that we've never seen before.
There's not a month that goes past that they're not advocating, lobbying, talking to me about what MPCCC needs and the work and collaboration and innovation that goes on. So thank you for all your tireless work and advocacy.
If you go back before this organisation was formed, there was no opportunity for these new clinical trial access. And so having dedicated people to make sure that that's happening, it's a reality. And I'm really proud every time I see patients offer clinical trials that wouldn't have been before.
The element of what we do that often keeps us going in the wee small hours is the possibility that what we're doing is going to make a real difference and have transformative effects in the health of our communities.